Hello, I'm Carla Reeb, Executive Director of the Troy Nature Society. The Society manages the Stage Nature Center in Troy. We are so pleased and excited to be a grant finalist this year with Impact 100 Oakland County. The Society's mission is to provide resources and education to inspire the appreciation and preservation of nature. We primarily serve Oakland County individuals ages 2 years old to senior adult with educational programs designed to increase their knowledge of nature and their awareness of good stewardship of our environment. Annually, more than 27,000 individuals from the Tri-County area participate in our educational programs and activities while enjoying the beauty of this 100-acre preserve that is dedicated to nature education. The most rewarding work our organization does is conducting educational programs for students from pre-kindergarten through high school. Educators book their school field trip, bring their students to the Nature Center, where our teaching staff conduct educational nature and science programs for those students. Additionally, educators can arrange for our teaching staff to visit the school and conduct an educational program in the classroom for their students. There is also an option to bring nature programming into the classroom through virtual nature education programs conducted by our staff. I look forward to giving you information about the specific project that we are applying for on November the 12th. Thank you so much for this very special opportunity.